NIOR, Tool Design and Manufacturing. NIOR is a high-tech development company that designs and manufactures tools for your production. NIOR manufactures three main categories of products: forming rolls, forming knives, and axles, specialized for accomplishing specific customer requirements. NIOR offers technically sophisticated solutions for your production. Why should you work with us? We are fast and flexible. We address to each order individually. All our products are made from high-quality materials. Therefore, it is no coincidence that they satisfy our most demanding customers' expectations. The manufacturer's emphasis is on forming rolls. By now, the company NIOR has manufactured several thousand different types of forming rolls, placing us at the top of the forming roll manufacturers. NIOR provides a complete solution, from conceptual design to your manufacturer's doorstep delivery. That way, your products are in safe hands throughout the whole process. NIOR, Tool Design and Manufacturing.